Today we're going to start off with our Dragonstone Dragon Eyes programs to go. And in your packet for Dragonstone, you will have a stone and you will have some foam pieces. And you can decorate it however you choose. I'm feeling a rainbow with a star today. Let's see, we're going to peel them because they are foam stickies. Peel it off. And you just stick it wherever you choose. I like that one right there. Then I have some stones in here. Let's see. Take some stones out. Place my stones. Okay, that's pretty cute. Yeah. So, I mean, you can decorate it however you choose. If later on you decide you want to paint it, you're more than welcome to paint that as well. But for now, we just have our stones as well as our dragon rock. And right now, I'm just embellishing it with different pieces. Okay? And if you choose to, you can do the back half. This is mine right here. All right? And I think I might do the back as well. So if I want to switch it up, let's see. Have a nice piece here. Just gonna take it and stick it here. All right. And what else do we have in this bag? Oh, okay. We have a couple more triangles. All right. So like I said, you just embellish it however way you like, whatever decorations you want to put on it. Just make it your own, you know? That's what I'm doing. It's just really, really fun. Okay, guys. I think I'm done. Oh, I think I might put a stone on it. Whoops. There we go. Tried to run away from me. All right. Okay. There we go. Just simple. Just something that you would like to do to embellish your rock. This is our Dragonstone. All right. See you at the next program for part 2. Part 2 of Dragonstone Dragon Eyes for your programs to go. In this particular program packet, you will have 5 flat marble stones, which will be our eyes. You'll have a paintbrush, a container of Mod Podge, as well as a printout copy of eyes. You can either choose one that has already been printed out for you, or you can color your own. What you will need is some scissors, crayons, or colored pencils, if you choose to color your own eye. Okay, let's get started. We're going to open our Mod Podge. We're going to take one of our stones and take our paintbrush. We're going to dip it in our Mod Podge, and we're going to paint the flat part of the stone. Okay? Just going to put a little on the back. Okay? I think that'll do. Okay? And then what we're going to do now, I've already cut one out, but just to show you, these you can color yourself with your crayons and color pencils, and you're going to cut these out, or you can cut out one that's already printed. So I've cut out one that's already printed, and you're going to put it face down so that the stone, so that the eye is up against the flat part. See what I'm saying? The color part is up against the flat part. You're going to put that on top of the glue. Okay? All right. And we're going to put this aside to dry. Make sure you cut it in a rounded area so you can get your eye together. Let's see. We're going to place this one to the side. Okay? So let's do another one. I'm going to color mine. Okay? You're going to color an eye. You going to color with me? All right. Let's color this one. So I can't wait to see your creativity and to see exactly what you all have been doing with these eyes. They're going to be so lovely. Let's see what else we have here. just quickly gonna do this eye. And let me show you how to cut those out. Pretty much you're gonna take your eye, flat side again, place it on top of your eye, and then for easy placement, you can just trace around it, around the eye, so you get a better cutout. Okay, cut this one out right quick. Yeah. All right. Okay. Again, we're going to take our Mod Podge, and we're going to take the brush, and we're going to brush some Mod Podge on the back. Not a whole lot again, not a whole lot, but just enough to coat the back. And we're going to take our eye, and we're going to place it again up against the flat surface where you can see the eye come through. Okay? And once it dries, it's going to dry clear, so you can be able to see your eye shine through. Okay? We're going to place this to the side. All right, guys, on to our next segment. Hi, guys. We're back for our third and final segment of our Programs to Go of Dragon Eyes. So today, on this one right here, all your packets is going to have instructions. They will have instructions included into your bag. Okay, so right now we're going to do our drawstring pouch. Okay, in your packet you will have a felt piece, a plastic needle with some yarn, as well as beads and a little ornament to put on your bag. Now this bag right here will hold your dragon eyes that we did in the previous segment. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to take your needle, you're going to thread it. Okay, put the thread through. All right, and the only thing we're going to do is just go through the holes. Now this bag is cut like this. So what you're going to do is just weave through the holes. Okay, we're going to go in and out, in and out. Pull it through a little bit. We're going to go in and out, in and out. And be careful, don't lose your other end. So just pull it as you pull this. Okay? All right. We're going to go in and out, pull through, in and out. All right. And as you can see, it makes a cute little draw bag. Okay? All right. So, since we have that together, we're going to open our bag so we can embellish it. Okay, let's get our little beads and everything out. Let's see what we have here. We have beads and we have this, oh, we have a dragon. Cute. All right, let's see. So, you can put our beads on. Let's take the needle off. We're going to put our beads through. Then if your thing starts fraying, you can get like a little piece of tape or something to make it easier for it to go through. But mine are going through pretty cool. As long as you twist the twine right here, just twist it like that and put it through. I think I'm going to put a few on. Let's see. Okay, we're going to put a couple on. All right, there we go. All right, and then you're going to tie a knot at the bottom so they won't come off. Tie a knot at the bottom. Okay. I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then once you have it all together, once you have it all together, it's going to be a magical pouch for your eyes. All right, here we go. And a last one. Very good. All right, we're going to tie it off so it doesn't come off. All right, there we go. Now remember those dragon eyes that we did? It should all be dry by now. So we're gonna take our dragon eyes and we're gonna place it in our pouch. And we're gonna do the little drawstring. And this is where we're gonna keep our dragon eyes. Here's our finished product. Thanks for watching.